Crash course on Finland, art, museums, music, and performing art. Finland is a country brimming with a rich cultural heritage, boasting a vibrant art scene, world-class museums, and a diverse music and performing arts culture. Let's delve into the captivating world of Finnish art, music, and performances, and explore the top 12 attractions that showcase the creative brilliance of this fascinating nation. Exploring the arts. Finland has produced many renowned artists, and its art history is a tapestry of tradition and innovation. From classical to contemporary art, there are numerous galleries and exhibitions to explore, such as the Ateneum Art Museum and the Kiasma Museum of Contemporary Art in Helsinki. The Finnish National Gallery houses an impressive collection of Finnish art, including works by famous painters like Akseli, Gallen-Kallela, and Helene Schjerfbeck. Musical heritage. Music is an integral part of Finnish culture, and the country has a rich tradition of choral music and folk songs. The Finnish national epic, the Kalevala, has inspired countless compositions. Finland is also renowned for its classical music, with Jean Sibelius being one of the most celebrated composers in the world. The prestigious Sibelius Academy nurtures young musical talents and offers outstanding performances. Concerts and festivals. Finnish cities come alive with music festivals throughout the year. One notable event is the Savonlinna Opera Festival, held in the medieval Olavinlinna Castle, enchanting audiences with world-class opera performances. For contemporary music enthusiasts, Ruusrock Festival in Turku is a must-visit, featuring international and local artists. Interesting story, the Sampo. In Finnish folklore, the Sampo is a magical artifact that brings prosperity and good fortune. Its story has inspired various art forms, including music and theater. The tale of the Sampo captures the imagination and showcases the deep connection between Finnish culture and nature. Top 12 attractions of art, museums, music, and performing art in Finland. 1. Ateneum Art Museum, Helsinki, home to Finnish art from the 19th and 20th centuries. 2. Kiasma Museum of Contemporary Art, Helsinki, contemporary masterpieces and thought-provoking exhibitions. 3. Finnish National Gallery, Helsinki, a collection of Finnish art spanning several centuries. 4. The Sibelius Monument, Helsinki, a tribute to the legendary composer, Jean Sibelius. 5. Savonlinna Opera Festival, world-class opera performances in the stunning Olavinlinna Castle. 6. Ruusrock Festival, Turku, a popular music festival attracting thousands of music enthusiasts. 7. The Sibelius Academy, Helsinki, a prestigious music academy nurturing musical talents. 8. Tampere Hall, Tampere, a cultural center hosting concerts, theater, and art exhibitions. 9. Helsinki Music Center, Helsinki, a modern concert venue featuring a diverse range of performances. 10. Pori Jazz Festival, one of Europe's oldest jazz festivals held annually in Pori. 11. Museum of Contemporary Art Kiasma, Helsinki, a hub for contemporary art and cultural events. 12. Turku City Theatre, Turku, a prominent theatre showcasing various performances. Summarize. Finland's artistic landscape is a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation. From classic masterpieces displayed in world-class museums to contemporary expressions at lively music festivals, the country's cultural treasures offer a captivating experience for all. Whether it's an inspiring art exhibition, a soul-stirring musical performance, or a cultural festival, Finland's creative spirit leaves an indelible mark on every visitor. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. A=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.